Here's how to submit a bug for Remember the Milk. Alright, so you're using RTM and you want to know how you can submit a bug to the company. Really easy, just go up to your gear icon on the top right, and then go down to Contact Us, click on that, and then click here, I have a bug to report. Boom, and then put in the subject line, give like a brief description of what's going on. And then they have some questions here for you to answer. What steps will reproduce the problem? What is the expected result? What do you see instead? Anything else you think we should know? And it's important to let them know those sorts of things just to save time. I'm sure, like any other dev team, they're very busy. And then you have the ability to attach a screenshot or a file, which is useful if it's something bizarre. And all you do is go down here and click send, and boom, you're good to go. And to submit a bug from your mobile device, it's really easy. Click that menu icon. Just in case, you might want to grab the version number of the app you're running. So to find out what version you're running, click on the gear icon, click on About, and there is your version. You can easily screenshot that by pressing the home button and the power button at the same time, like so. And there you have your screenshot. You can swipe it away. Click the back button, click that X button, and then now all you have to do is click on that question mark icon, click on that guide, click on menu, click on help, scroll down, click on email us. So you want to scroll down and just click on that drop down menu. For some reason the web version has submit a bug as an option. It's not here, so just click on something else. And then just fill in your problem in the message box and send away. Thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to download my free Remember the Milk cheat sheet, the link is in the description below.